What bag? Do you remember?
I think it was a plastic bag.
Do you remember a plastic bag?
It was a white bag. What exactly happened is that she said to me, I wanted to take my bag with me. She said, don't worry, you can leave them here, they're safe. You can always come back to have them, which is what I did.
But did you take the white bag with you?
No, I left the white bag at her place.
Now, this is very important. Where did you leave that white bag as far as you're aware, Marival?
I left it in her room, in her living room. She's the one that took it and kept it.
Did you say to her, I am leaving this white bag in your living room, I will be back to collect it?
She said, you can leave them here, they are safe, you can always come back to collect them.
Do you remember saying that? Be careful here.
Yeah, I remember saying that you could... Why don't you leave your bag? Because the plastic bag didn't go with the outfit, the look we were going for.
Of course it doesn't.
So, I suggested we leave it here. We're going to a karaoke
You're
venue,
going to a karaoke bar. You don't want to dance around and sing, I don't know, why, Delilah with an Asda bag.
Yeah, we don't.
A
few days later, well, when was it, you wanted your trainers back?
Yes, because I usually give dance classes every Saturday. So she usually attends to my dance class, so I asked her to bring my trainers because after the class I was meant to go for an event and I needed my shoes because...
I understand.
Yeah,
Please, j'en ai marre. Listen to me, madam.
OK.
Listen to me. Where are the trainers? Où est les chaussures?
Je ne sais pas.
We don't know where the shoes are.
Sorry?
We don't know where the shoes are.
What do you mean we? You're the Queen? Are we referring to ourselves as we nowadays? We are awfully sorry.
She doesn't know because...
We have lost your trainers.
She can't find them anymore. And
well,
I'm not really happy with that.
Well, I'm sure she put the trainers in her bag, because she did bring another bag, but it wasn't a plastic bag, it was like a backpack.
Why would she go to a karaoke event with trainers in her bag?
Because she was wearing my shoes, which were too small, and they were hurting her feet, so she was like, going to bring her trainers in the backpack. Did
you put the trainers in your bag? Would you be here claiming against your friend for those trainers if you'd left them in your bag?
No.
Are you trying to lie to me? You're trying to invent a claim for trainers for £127 or whatever it is?
What do you think?
Sorry?
What do you think? Obviously not. Obviously because they are very important to me. Even if I have one bag, it wouldn't be the same value.
Understand, because that's the point. And you're quite serious about the effect that this has had on you, you know, Marifan.
Yes.
What do you think's happened to them?
I have no idea what's happened to her trainers.
Now, here's the thing. This has upset you. I was joking at the beginning, but you tell me why this has upset you.
It's upsetting because it's a reminder of a very important moment that I had in my life, of a very great achievement I had as a dancer, and I will be so proud to show them to my kids tomorrow.
What effect has this had on the future of Dangereuse? Adiola?
No. Well, I'm really fond of Maribel and we're really close, and I obviously don't want something like this to cause a rift. And I'm a bit disheartened that she might think that I'm doing something misleading with the trainers, I don't know. But I understand how important they are to her, and I hope we find the trainers, because maybe someone's taken them from mine accidentally, or, you know, I don't know, but...
Do you believe she's done something wicked on purpose, Marival?
Obviously not, but I don't understand how come the trainers could disappear, because it's such a... It sounds to be just a trainer, but it's not just a trainer.
I understand. How much are these trainers, please?
They are £127.
Do you see there being a future of this band, the two of you?
To be honest, I don't know. I don't know.
Marival, this is actually a rather interesting matter, because it relates to the circumstances in which a person is liable for property that's lost in their house. Adiola, the reality is here that you had a duty of care over these trainers. The reason being that you categorically said to her that they would be safe. There's no dispute about that. Once you hold out that your house is safe to house another person's property, you are consequently liable in the event that they get lost, and I'm certain that they have been lost. I don't know how. I suspect there's nothing nefarious going on. It's just one of those things, and probably accidental.
Yeah.
Nevertheless, because you held that out, you are financially liable for them, so I have no difficulty in giving you an award for the full value to replace them, which is £127.60. Now, that's the award of this court, but to you, they're irreplaceable. What is not replaceable, it seems to me, is when you have a good artistic collaboration. And to that extent, I wish you both the very best of luck. The award of this court is £127.60. Merci beaucoup, bonne chance.
Merci beaucoup.
Marival won her case and was awarded the full amount of her claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
It's not just a trainer, it's a very valuable present. So I was wearing them all the time, and we all have those lucky clothes or lucky shoes that give you confidence, you know, when you have them.
I just think someone's picked them up and probably not even looked in the bag and it's sat in someone's room. But in the meantime, I can't find her trainers, and if they were at my house, and I guess I have to take responsibility for that.
I really appreciate the fact that she knows, she recognized that it's not just a trainer. It's something
the sentimental
that
value.
has a big value, sentimental value for me. I'm very happy with the decision of the judge. He's a very kind man and very funny as well. So I would just want to say thank you to him for understanding. And about the ban, we'll see. Who knows?
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue of your own, get in touch with us by clicking over here.